McDonald's.
You're watching ABC 7 News at noon. On your side.
Fists were flying on board the Southwest Airlines plane as it landed in California. This is just the latest example of rage erupting on flights across the U.S. Emily Rao has more on the mayhem.
Police called it a near riot in Fort Lauderdale when Spirit Airlines canceled or delayed dozens of flights on Monday. The airline blaming the pilots for a work slowdown in the middle of contract talks.
Very tense, very angry people. Everybody had places to be.
And that move prompting a judge to issue a temporary restraining order to get the pilots back to work and tensions below boiling.
It's security, Captain!
This brawl on board a Southwest jet that just landed in Burbank shows a flight attendant caught right in the middle.
I see the stewardess trapped below, in between the seats, on the ground, and she was being pummeled at the same time as the other guy was being pummeled.
Southwest giving props to its employees, calling them everyday heroes, delivering heartfelt hospitality. But this Kansas City nurse not feeling the love from United.
Hey, I'm gonna need to go. This is urgent. I have an overactive bladder. Can I use the restroom?
She says there was no mercy from the flight attendants, leaving her no choice but to literally pee in a cup.
There was just no customer service, no compassion.
That woman posting her story on Facebook because she says she couldn't get United to acknowledge her complaint. Both cell phone video and social media playing big parts in this ongoing story. Emily Rao, ABC News, New York. And caught on camera, a school bus fully engulfed in flames in South Carolina, and now parents are thanking the driver for her quick action. She got all 56 students off that bus just in the nick of time. Well, 2 students said that they smelled smoke coming from the back of the bus. The driver immediately got everybody off. Minutes later, that bus caught fire. And this is a wild scene out west. A bear on the loose in California met his match. This dog chased after the bear, which is more than twice his size. Well, finally, after running around, the bear decided to take a dip in someone's backyard pool and eventually search through the trash for some goodies. That bear is known to neighbors and is tagged. I think I would move.
Nah, that's all part of it.
Well, I was reading online he broke into someone's house as well. That would be it for me.
Yeah, all kind of wild creatures, coyotes out there in neighborhoods, and all kinds of jaguars come out of the hills, bobcats, all kinds of things.
Goodness.
Not jaguars, but bobcats.
Here we have to worry about some rain.
Yeah, and I'm telling you what, tomorrow may wind up just being a very rainy day, kind of unexpectedly. We thought we'd see a few showers tomorrow afternoon, and now it's looking like the rain could move in the morning and just be a rainy day. So let's get started with our coverage here. Midday on this Wednesday with a look at Pilate High School in Laurel. Absolutely gorgeous skies, 68 degrees already. And it looks like this afternoon's temperatures around 70 or the lower 70s a bit later will be the warmest we're going to see for a few days, as not only does rain move in, but a lot cooler temperatures return. 67 in Manassas right now, 67 at Reagan National, 68 degrees in Baltimore, 64 in Martinsburg at this hour, and 63 in Hagerstown. So the forecast, a lot of sunshine. We'll have a little cloudiness and probably more cloudiness late this afternoon, but very light winds and a strong May sun will push us to about 72 degrees in most areas. Here's the change. We originally thought we'd see a little rain shower activity come out of the Ohio Valley, Tennessee region and spread eastward, but it looks like the upper level winds are going to bring the rain from the Midwest south of Chicago and right overhead tomorrow. It's early at 7:38 in the morning. And with that, as we look at our modeling, we could have periods of rain the entire day. This is our futurecast as of this hour, and there's the targeted rain area right where it's supposed to be. And we just forward through the day and through the night into tomorrow. And you'll see as we get through late tonight, the steadier cloudiness will move in, and then by tomorrow morning we've got this areas of rain, a few heavier downpours, and at times rain throughout the entire day. It will be cooler in the 60s, and the rain even for the rush hour in the evening. And right now it looks like scattered showers through Friday morning, and then as we get through Friday afternoon, possibly more areas of rain, even lasting into Saturday. Rainfall totals, maybe 2 inches of rainfall by the time the whole pattern gets out of here sometime on Saturday afternoon. So for today, no rain, sunshine, a few clouds, 72, 66 tomorrow. with showers developing throughout the day and periods of rain. Friday highs only near 60 degrees. Then we look ahead to the weekend. Only 59 for a high on Saturday with periods of rain. Again, depending on the speed of this system, the rain could end by midday. Some showers could hang in until maybe later in the afternoon. But most all models point to the fact that by Sunday, we turn breezy and warmer with sunshine and highs about 72 degrees. So here's a look at the next 7 days. Then we'll add 3 more for you as we see the numbers go down a bit. But then by Mother's Day, pop back up to 72. A reminder, even though we have rain, we think by the time DC United takes on Philadelphia on Saturday evening, things will be starting to clear up a bit, but very chilly day. You see that game, by the way, on News Channel 8. And the next week looks gorgeous. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures at or above average for a few days. So we'll finally get back into a more May-like weather pattern here as we cruise through the middle of spring officially. Still have like 6 weeks, something like that, almost 6 weeks before summer begins. So it's about that time the temperatures should start coming back up again.
We have to enjoy it while we've got it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Doug, thank you. And we have much more coming up on ABC 7 News at noon. But first, let's get a preview of what is coming up tonight at 11.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm